Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Universe. Today we're diving into an exciting crypto project called Bitcoin, a token that unfolds the history of Bitcoin through a unique event-based trading calendar. We're gonna explore what makes Bitcoin with a K stand out and why you should consider joining its pre-sale. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed and that the bell icon is turned on so you never miss out on our latest crypto findings. As I said, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Bitcoin, from its exciting pre-sale to its distinctive features, so let's jump right in. Bitcoin, created by Chao Nakamoto, is a crypto token with a maximum supply of 21 million. What sets this project apart is its event-based trading calendar that's active 365 days a year, mirroring key events in Bitcoin's history. And what's even more intriguing, Bitcoin rewards its holders with 5% of BTC daily. The pre-sale for Bitcoin is set to launch on November 21st of this year with a minimum entry of just 2.5 USDT or 0.01 BNB. What's fantastic is that this pre-sale operates through a smart contract, automatically creating and locking the liquidity pool for 21 months and thus offering a secure and transparent experience to investors. And for those looking to dive in deeper, there are exclusive VIP pre-sale packs available. These packs include 10,000 Bitcoin tokens and an array of exciting merchandising gifts, making it an attractive option for the young whales and enthusiasts. You can find all the details on the project's website, so after watching this video, be sure to check it all out. Bitcoin's calendar events are designed to keep the community engaged and informed, and they include a monthly token burn to reduce circulating supply, days with 0% trading fees, and periods where a portion of fees is sent to the liquidity pool in order to increase its value. Next thing we're going to go through is their roadmap. As you can see, it unfolds in 4 stages. The first stage focuses on the initial token launch, offering accessibility to small holders. Following this, the IDO DEX pre-sale triggers automatic liquidity pool creation and a 21-month lock, as we said, ensuring stability and trust. The third stage aims to get Bitcoin listed on major platforms and launches a comprehensive marketing campaign. And in the fourth stage, the project's goal is to enhance daily trading, increase its global presence, and seek listings on prominent high-security exchanges. The Bitcoin project is determined to maintain the same level of trust and security that's synonymous with the Bitcoin. Chao Nakamoto, the mastermind behind Bitcoin, is actually the younger brother of Satoshi Nakamoto, who is the creator of BTC. And also to remind you, in order to ensure maximum transparency and security, the pre-sale is executed through a smart contract, eliminating human intervention. The smart contract automatically directs funds raising during the IDO to the liquidity pool on the PancakeSwap. Alright guys, now let's talk about how you can take your support for Bitcoin to the next level. The project offers an array of exclusive merchandise that allows you to show your Bitcoin pride while enhancing your engagement with the community. You can support the project by exploring a wide range of merchandise that's available on their online shop, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and blankets, all featuring the Bitcoin logo. As I already mentioned, they also offer unique bundles, including the VIP pre-sale packs. These packs not only include 10,000 Bitcoin tokens, but also come with an assortment of 10 exclusive merchandising products. So whether you're a long-time crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, Bitcoin's merchandise allows you to be a part of this exciting project and showcase your support in Bitcoin style. I gotta say that this is a captivating project with a fresh approach to crypto, as it blends the essence of Bitcoin's history with daily rewards for its holders. So if you're interested in this project, make sure you are a part of their socials, as that way you will be up to date with all latest updates and announcements. All important links can be found below this video, including their website and official social links. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Bitcoin, and I'll see you in the next one.